Hi guys, in this video I am going to repair an AM5 socket. This is what the CPU pins looks like. We are using a WDS650 for this. The machine will start automatically. The head will come down and the program will start. The program is finished. We will remove the socket. Now we will clean the pads, first with a soldering iron and then with the soldering blade. We will take a new socket, place it at best we can. It will start automatically and we'll mount the socket. X-ray will come automatically out. So the blue dots are the bulbs from the socket, and the yellow one are the pads on the motherboard. Lowering the socket with millimeter precision. When the program finished, the fans automatically start to cool down the motherboard. There you have it. Perfect.